Okay, it's recording. It's recording. Sit on the bench.
La 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 la.
Mary Ellen, fancy seeing you here.
My name is Mary Lou.
Oh, Mary Lou. Mary Lou!
Yeah.
Mind if I join you on this fine hill?
No, no. Yay!
Well, it's nice up here. You can see everything.
Yes, you can.
So, Mary Lou, where are you working these days?
At the Walmart.
Oh, that's great. I'm still at Exxon gas station.
Oh.
I know. I need to get a new job
Yeah.
to be able to support you when we get married. Come here, baby. Now, we've known each other for a long time, and I think it's time we moved a step further.
No.
Come here. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Come here, Mary Lou. Mary Lou. I fell behind the cliff. Mary Lou, why did you do that? Fix my collar. Mary Lou, why did you do that to me? You pushed me off the cliff.
I did?
Yeah.
When?
Don't do that again. That hurt.
Do what?
Push me off the cliff.
I did not push you on the cliff.
You lie like a monkey does on a hot day walking through a cornfield. Come on, Mary Lou. All I wanted to do was get to know you better. Get out of these clothes. They're so limited. Mary Lou. I'm gonna get me some girl. Mary Lou. Come here. Come here. Come on, baby. What's the matter with you? Don't you kick me in my area. Ow, ow, ow! Ow, it really hurt.
Sorry.